This video is going to cover the erosion control sheets that in coordination with the plans reading class. Erosion control sheets. This is an example of an erosion control sheet. You can see that we have a scale bar. You have your north arrows wherever and this looks like a plan sheet. So we got plan up top, plan up the bottom. Got your two north arrows representing where north's at. You also see a temporary erosion control legend down here. Usually the legends will contain just exactly what they're going to use on the project. So we got a silt fence, alternate ditch check, rock ditch check, and a curb inlet check. So we got those that they're using in this, and you can see the little symbols in this sheet. Okay, so this is a good one. You can also see the right of way. You'll see stationing. It's got a lot of information here. You can see the EPG 806.2 for sediment control measures. The erosion control plans are used to show the measures being taken to control sediment and erosion of work areas on a project. All necessary precautions must be taken to make sure silt and other waste material does not make it into the storm sewer system or onto adjoining properties, infiltrating nearby streams or other bodies of water. Erosion control sheet contain any nearby bodies of water that are directly affected. Erosion control measures, a legend showing how measures are symbolized, and all drainage structures, which are pipes, inlets, etc. Standard plans for erosion control, which you'll find if you. This is a link in the PowerPoint. If you go to it, it'll have all the. Let me see if I can get it to work here. And bring it over into here, and it brings you out to the standard plans form. So you'll see all this different information out here. Temporary erosion control measures. Okay, so you'll see all that. So it's a cool little link. Talks about that. Let me get rid of this. The ditch checks out there that we use are silt fence, straw bale, rock, and sandbag. We use berms, erosion control blankets, sediment basins, slope drains. All control measures should be indicated in the legend, and quantity will typically be shown on the plan sheet or on the quantity sheets as well, which we went over in that third video. Here's an erosion control sheet. Here's a legend for it, the temporary erosion control legend. Again, if you're not using these, usually they'll take them out. In this case, it seems like everything's in here. I just grabbed it from a sheet. Alternate ditch check, curb in check, rock ditch check, your sediment trap, your energy dissipator, temporary berms type B and C, your silt fence, and temporary sediment basin, which is by a crosshatch, and then permanent sediment basin, which is more of a rock fill in it. So that's what the legend looks like, but usually they'll go through and they'll clean this up and get rid of the stuff that they're not using so it doesn't take up so much room. And that concludes the erosion control video.